In today's online world, where starting your own business is easier than ever, there are plenty of exciting opportunities waiting to be discovered. One such opportunity, often overlooked but surprisingly profitable, is creating printable flashcards for kids' education. Stick with us till the end of the video as we describe to you just how creatively profitable this new idea is. Even though it might not seem like much, this product can bring in a lot of money, with some people making up to $270,000 from it. What's even better is that there aren't many others doing it, so there's less competition and more chance for success for anyone willing to give it a try. In this video, we're diving into the world of a successful business model. I'll be your guide as we explore how to start a similar venture using the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to help us along the way. With Al's help, we'll cover everything from coming up with ideas to creating a finished product that our customers will love. Before we begin, like and subscribe if you want to be a millionaire this year. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. But before we get into the details, let's talk about something important: how to stand out in a busy market. With so many competitors and short attention spans, it's crucial to be different. That's where we start, finding the secret to making ourselves unique and making as much money as possible. As we start this business journey, I suggest you grab a notepad and get ready for a unique experience. We'll uncover valuable tips and strategies that you won't find on YouTube. Together, we'll explore this profitable but often ignored market, giving you the information and tools to succeed online. What makes printable flashcards for kids' education such a great business opportunity? It's because they're versatile and really work for learning. They're made to get kids interested and help them learn by doing fun activities. These flashcards cover lots of subjects like animals, shapes, numbers, and colors. They may seem simple, but they're super effective and used in schools all over the world. Why is this product special among the many options online? It's the fact that it's both profitable and has very few competitors. Unlike other areas where there's lots of competition, like in many online markets, printable flashcards for kids' education give you a chance to make money in a market where there aren't as many people selling. This opens up a great opportunity for smart business owners who want to take advantage of new trends in education and online learning. Now, let's focus on how to start a successful business in this area. With AI's help, we'll find creative ways to come up with ideas, create eye-catching illustrations, and make a product that appeals to our audience. We'll cover everything from brainstorming to customizing, making sure we stand out in the competitive world of online education. But we're just getting started. With helpful tips and expert advice, you'll have what you need to handle marketing, sales, and connecting with customers, making sure your business thrives for the long haul. Printable flashcards for kids' education are more than just cards with pictures and words. They're invaluable tools for fostering learning and engagement in children. Whether it's learning about animals, shapes, numbers, or colors, these flashcards offer a fun and interactive way for kids to absorb new information. What makes them even more enticing is the current landscape on platforms like Etsy, where there's a noticeable demand for these products, yet surprisingly low competition. It's like stumbling upon a hidden treasure in the vast sea of online businesses. How did we find this exciting opportunity? Well, we started by looking for successful digital products. After doing some research, printable flashcards stood out. They're popular and there's not much competition, which is great news if you want to start a business. Now you might be wondering why printable flashcards have become such a hot commodity in the digital realm. The answer lies in their versatility and effectiveness as educational tools. Unlike traditional learning materials, these flashcards offer a dynamic and interactive learning experience, capturing the attention of young learners and facilitating knowledge retention. Plus, with advancements in digital printing technology, creating and distributing these flashcards has never been easier. With just a few clicks, you can design and produce high-quality flashcards that rival those found in brick-and-mortar stores. The key lies in their simplicity and practicality. While other products may require complex software or specialized skills to create, printable flashcards can be designed using basic tools and resources. Printable flashcards are simple and easy to make compared to other products that may need fancy software or special skills. You can create them using basic tools, which is great for new entrepreneurs starting out online without spending a lot. Plus, they're cost-effective to produce and can bring in high profits, making them a smart choice for anyone ready to work hard. As more people turn to digital learning, printable flashcards are becoming essential tools for education. They're versatile, suitable for different learning styles and ages, making them valuable for parents, teachers, and homeschooling families. With the growing need for good educational materials, now's the perfect time to tap into this profitable market. They're great for learning and in high demand. This presents a money-making opportunity for new entrepreneurs. With the rise of online learning, you can use digital tools to establish yourself in this growing field and create a thriving business that lasts. When it comes to brainstorming ideas for your flashcards, there are a couple of approaches you can take. One option is to manually browse through competitors' listings on platforms like Etsy. By analyzing what's already out there, you can identify gaps in the market and opportunities for differentiation. However, this process can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. A more efficient approach is to leverage technology to streamline the brainstorming process. One tool that can help with this is ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot that can generate ideas based on your specifications. By automating the process, you can generate a wide range of ideas in a matter of seconds. This not only saves time, but also helps you explore a broader range of possibilities. Once you've settled on an idea, it's time to bring it to life through illustrations. The illustrations are the backbone of your flashcards, so it's important to get them right. My go-to tool for creating illustrations is Midjourney. This AI-powered image generator offers unparalleled customization options and delivers top-notch image quality. With Midjourney, you can create illustrations in a wide range of styles, from cartoonish to realistic. You can also customize various aspects of the illustrations, such as colors, lighting, and backgrounds. This allows you to create unique and engaging images that will capture the attention of your target audience. Of course, Midjourney isn't the only option available. There are also free alternatives that you can explore, though the results may vary. These alternatives may not offer the same level of customization or image quality as Midjourney, but they can still be useful for creating basic illustrations. Ultimately, the key is to choose a tool that aligns with your needs and budget. Whether you opt for Midjourney or a free alternative, the most important thing is to create illustrations that are visually appealing and effectively convey the concepts you want to teach with your flashcards. With the right illustrations, you can create flashcards that are not only educational, but also engaging and enjoyable for children to use. After creating your illustrations, the next step is to design your flashcards. Canva's Flashcard Maker is a handy tool for this task, providing a wide range of customizable templates to choose from. With Canva, you can easily upload your illustrations and customize the design to suit your preferences. Whether you want to adjust the layout, colors, or fonts, Canva offers plenty of options to make your flashcards unique. Once you've made your tweaks, you'll have a set of printable flashcards ready to go in no time. But if you want to take your flashcards to the next level, there are a few additional steps you can take to truly capture your audience's attention and set yourself apart from the competition. Consider going the extra mile. Imagine this. Along with your engaging flashcards, you include a delightful bonus, coloring pages. These complimentary additions not only enhance the educational experience, but also add a fun twist to your product. By offering something unique and unexpected, you'll leave a lasting impression on your customers and keep them coming back for more. Plus, who can resist the allure of a little extra value thrown in for good measure? It's a simple yet powerful marketing trick that can make all the difference in attracting and retaining customers. If you want to own multiple businesses online to create a passive income, then the next video is for you. Watch how I created multiple AI businesses in just one day.